Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe. What are you waiting for? Sorry for looking so dusty. I just came back from workout and welcome to my curly hair routine. So my hair looks dry and weird now, but I'm gonna show you how I get my hair to look really nice. Well, according to me. And if you got any suggestions or any video requests, just leave it under in the comments. My social media handles will all be in the description. So peace out for now, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how I get my hair curly. Always get your hair really wet. Sorry, my hair is very spiky. I don't know why. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get your hair really wet. My hair is so weird. Get your hair really wet first. And then you're rinsing me with my hair, so it's wet already. Second thing, this is what I'm doing. Just this in your hair. I'm gonna put this in your hair. Okay, you wanna put it in your hair first. Hey, look at those curls. Can you see them? A little bit more, sorry. That took too little. Put a little bit more. I don't know if you can see me properly, to be honest. I need a haircut. No, my legs is getting long. Or mohawk. What do you want to call this? Alright, so you will leave it in for a little bit. Just do everything in the pot, in the shower. And when I rinse it off, I'm gonna rinse it off with cold water, because the cold water like shocks the hair or the curls into like, you'll see. Hold on. It's cold. So cold. Yo, so cold. I don't know why I do that. My hair can't shake. It's so like super short. Let me smooth this back. This is what it looks like now, and I'll show you when I'm done in the shower. Yeah, so I've just got changed. Yeah, I got changed, and I just wanted to show you how it looks afterwards. Sorry for this weird one standing up. I need a haircut. But this is how it looks afterwards. When it's dry, it looks like a, I don't know how to explain, like a dry version of this. I don't know if you can see the back of my head. I don't know why I didn't put conditioner on the sides. I'm so silly. But anyway, my acne's clearing up, guys, if you care. It's clearing up, so yeah, this is how it looks like. When my hair gets longer, I'll do another tutorial.